The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.